When you're choosing between IPVanish and Mullvad VPN, you're really deciding between two very different approaches to VPN service. One is great for families or households with multiple devices that need constant protection, while the other stands out for anyone on a budget, offering exceptional value at a lower price point. So, which one should you choose? Stick around, because I'm about to break it all down for you, and at the end, I'll let you know what I personally recommend after trying both myself. Let's start with IPVanish. If you're looking for a VPN that handles multiple devices across your household, IPVanish could be the winner. The thing that really sets it apart is that it allows unlimited simultaneous connections. That means you can protect your phone, your laptop, your smart TV, your tablet, and any other devices you have in your home without worrying about hitting a limit. IPVanish's app is easy to use and supports pretty much every device, including Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and even Fire TV. If your house is full of devices that need protection, IPVanish is a solid choice for the whole family. But, of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. IPVanish's pricing can be a bit higher compared to some other VPNs. You're paying a premium for the convenience of unlimited devices and that solid multi-device support. The speeds are generally fast, but not always consistent across servers, and there have been occasional issues with its customer support. So while it's perfect for multi-device households, the price might be a little tough to justify for bargain hunters. Next thing to consider is Mullvad VPN. Mullvad's appeal lies in its simplicity and its pricing. It costs just a flat rate of €5 per month, which is a major plus for anyone looking for a VPN that gets the job done without breaking the bank. It's really one of the most affordable options out there, especially when you compare it to services like IPVanish. The flat rate pricing means no complicated tiers or upselling, and they don't ask for personal information, making it an attractive option for those who value privacy. However, it's not quite as versatile as IPVanish. Mullvad allows only 5 simultaneous connections, which might not be enough for a large household with multiple devices. While it's great for solo users or smaller households, if you're trying to secure a bunch of devices at once, you might run into some limitations. The app's interface is pretty basic too, which some users might find a bit too simplistic. It's effective, but if you're someone who likes more options and customization, you might feel a little restricted. The next thing to keep in mind is speed and performance. IPVanish generally offers faster speeds, especially for users who connect to servers in regions where it has a strong presence, like North America. But Mullvad holds its own in this area too, offering decent speeds without significant drop-offs. That said, the number of servers and locations is more limited with Mullvad, which can affect performance if you're located in a region where it doesn't have as many options. The fourth thing I want to mention is privacy. While both VPNs are pretty good in this area, Mullvad goes above and beyond. They're based in Sweden, and they don't require any personal information when you sign up. No email, no phone number, just an account number that keeps things anonymous. IPVanish has a solid privacy policy, but it has a bit of a rocky past when it comes to data logging, though they've made improvements in recent years. Mullvad is definitely the better option if privacy is your top priority. Finally, let's talk about what I personally recommend. If you want to secure multiple devices in your household, IPVanish is definitely a better choice. But if you're someone who's more concerned about the cost and doesn't need a ton of devices covered, Mullvad is hard to beat for the price. But here's the thing, while both of these VPNs are great in their own right, after testing them both myself, I found that there's an even better option out there. For the best value, with a free trial and exclusive benefits, check out the link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial available, and it's a solid choice if you want both strong multi-device support and great pricing. Don't miss out.